Hey, so we just arrived at port. We're an hour late for this ferry due to hold-ups on the motorway. We're just about to do us crossing and we are going to land, and we've got 2 pickups tonight and then see what else we can get. We've got no hotel booked, so we'll see how the picking goes and then we'll get something booked later. Guys, we're in this barn in France and these vehicles are all for sale. So it's 9 o'clock at night, we're on French Street. And we are just looking at buying rugs. So this one here, beautiful French, probably early 1900 rug. And then we've got one we've already got in the back of the van. And now John's in there, buried in that garage, pulling rugs out. So we're walking up the main road. We've been out since 3 o'clock this morning. The Luton is absolutely packed to the back doors. But we still can't resist these early French chairs dating from about 1880, which have been recovered. So it's not a lot of work for us when we get back. They're really clean. I mean, if you look in the trolley, got some really early nice carvings as well.